it's all falling out. So what we got to do is clean it out as far back as we need to. That's it, these bricks are going to start falling down. And we'll get it all cleaned out. Okay, a few tools you're going to need for this. Over here, that's a nozzle for a vacuum cleaner. A wire brush, hammer, a couple of different sized screwdrivers, a pry bar, a couple of chisels, and those safety glasses. I'm literally just taking a screwdriver and taking all that mortar out of there. Well, it turns out not much was holding this in. Most of this mortar is completely gone in the back, and that brick just came right out. So far, we've lost 2 bricks here. 5 bricks come out of the wall here, and this is what my mortar looked like on the back side. It's completely disintegrated. All right, you can see how much it was off. There isn't even any mortar on here. I don't even have to scrape any mortar off of that. It's absolutely clean. So I'll come back in here, I'll get the rest of this off of here, and I'll clean all this up. Look at how clean that brick is. A few things you're going to need. I'm mixing it in this mud pan because I'm not going to be using a lot of it at a time. So, you know, just a 4-inch knife to be able to get it out of the mortar bag. Mix it up with this. This I might use for spreading. This is my trowel for tuck pointing trowel. So I put a first bit of water on there and it got some of it, but you can see there's a lot of dry, so I'll add some more. And it's looking kind of chunky, right? And you're going to think that it's too dry and pushing it down on itself. Okay, that might look dry to you. See how nicely it spreads? You know, it's got just enough moisture in it. It's going to hold the weight of those bricks. And that black stuff on the top is because I set this brick first just to make sure. All right, I'll bring that brick down. It's got to come down a little on this side to get it just right, even. And see how dry this is? It's still got some wetness to it, but it's dry. It won't do this. It won't end up staining the brick like that. I'll clean it up, just like that. Okay. And we've set a brick. Now if you got a hawk pan you can use it, but I'm just using this 8-inch mudding knife that I have. Just take, kind of slice it off like you're slicing butter here. You put that edge of that knife right in there where you want that mud to go. And you just keep pushing it in. Keep forcing it in there until you get it as much as you want into that spot. Like that. Okay. I'll leave it like that. Pull it out. See that? Push it to the back, get it all in there. And then push it down. Make sure it gets all the way back in there. Don't just let it pile up in the front. Push it way back. You've got 3 inches of brick there, and you want to get as much in as you can towards the back. And there we are. All done.